Hi everyone, my name is Nikolai Kutuzov and I'll have a class about working with files. I studied in MBTI and I found my first work project when I was 17 at Demis Group. My work was about applying machine learning algorithms into marketing. Now I work at a company called iPavlov and I take part in different competitions. This company is dealing with neural language processing and also chatbots. So let's take a look at what kind of files are there. We face files every time we open our computer. It could be images, video, audio files, and so on. So if you take machine learning, usually people take CSI and JSON and text files. So the text files have resolution txt and it's pretty much universal because you can write there pretty much everything. And usually we store information such as essays or news or pretty much anything. So CSV or comma-separated values are used usually to save different tables. So we define the lines by skipping to the next line, and we define different values by splitting them using the comma. So we use it to work with different statistical data, such as charts and tables, which is commonly used in machine learning. So we can check different students' scores using this table. So the next one is JSON. It is multiple tables and lists. It is used by different websites to exchange information, for example, geodata. So here are my contacts, and now let's move to practice.